Hello my friends. In today's video, I show you one awesome drink which you have to know. This drink will rid you of fatigue, it's potent and effective. The accumulation of toxins in the blood or intestines causes chronic fatigue, bloating, as well as circulatory system issues. To prevent such toxin buildup in the body, it's necessary to regularly undergo cleansing treatments. You can achieve effective detoxification with the help of a very simple drink. All you'll need is garlic and red wine. This elixir will purify the blood, remove excess fat and salt from the body tissues, and even speed up your metabolism. Ingredients: 12 cloves of garlic, 0.5 liters of red wine. Sealable jar. Preparation: 1. After peeling the garlic cloves, cut them into quarters and place them in a glass jar or a larger jar for preserves. 2. Add half a liter of red wine and seal the jar tightly. 3. Let the jar stand in a sunny or light place for about 2 weeks. Shake it well every day to ensure the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. 4. After 2 weeks, strain the wine and pour it into a glass bottle. Take 1 teaspoon of the drink 3 times a day for approximately 1 month. Warning: this is a truly potent elixir for purifying and strengthening the blood. Therefore, after 1 month, take a break for at least another 6 months before repeating the treatment.